Councillors for the Youth Awards and for the Trustpower Community Awards. Councillor Kirk did send out an email, I think it was to everybody. She might have increased the population by now, I think. That she would like to be involved in these, to put her name forward for consideration. So just who did it last time? Councillor Kirk was on Youth Awards, wasn't she? Kirk and Truman did it last year, Youth Awards, didn't they? Who was it? Mincher? So they're supposed to be rotated, aren't they?
Well, I've actually done the Trustpower Awards for 2 years, so
have you?
Yeah, so I'm very happy to.
And Councillor Kirk did the Youth Awards last year.
Yes.
So you have 2 councillors per each one, don't you? So I'd be happy to nominate Councillor Kirk for the Trustpower Community Awards, and then we'd need a second person.
I don't mind going into that. I've been involved with them before, but if anybody else wants to go, because I'm pretty light now on my committees.
So far we've got Kirk and Crate. Does anybody else want to be considered for Trustpower Community Awards, or would you be happy with those 2? Or?
Those 2 would be great.
So Kirk and Crate, and then we need 2 to go back to the youth ones. Who would like to be considered or put their name forward for? We need 2 for the Youth Awards. Councillor Mincher? I don't mind doing one either. I've never done one, but if you guys are... So we've got Mincher and Johnson for the Youth Awards.
It's really, really good. I did it for 3 years before, and it's a great.
Oh, well, it's good
fantastic.
to have a turnaround, eh?
Yeah, it's fantastic.
So Mincher and Johnson for the Youth Awards, Williams and
Kirk and Crate.
Sorry. Yeah. Kirk and Crate.
Mayor, can I just ask why have these 2 awards got sort of mentioned like this when there's things like sports awards and things like that? What's making these 2 different to all the other?
Because councillors always agreed to have delegates.
Okay.
And once you're a council approved delegate, it takes me on to the other side of the coin where you can apply for mileage if you lived, in the case of Councillor Truman, at Mangakino, because you're council appointed, rather than just given freely of your time.
I think council actually run like the Taupo Youth Awards. The staff run they actually run the whole night event, which I must say this year's one was one of the best ones that I've been to. It was just the show on in between, and the whole running of the show was fantastic night. It was a good night.
Okay, well if you're happy with that, do we actually have to, it is a suggested resolution, so we need a mover for those 4 names. Councillor Williams, and a seconder. Seconded, Councillor Downard. All those in favour, aye?
Aye.
Aye. Carried. Thank you. Moving now to, do you guys want to have a quick break, and then, because we've got a little bit in confidential, and a few more, you guys want to have a quick break, just 10 minutes, and then we'll get through the rest, so